Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be addressing what you can do when you have those acute symptoms of low back pain. So this means like it just kind of flared up, you're feeling scared to move, but you notice that you need to move. Because here's the thing, when we tense up, it only increases those spasms, that tension, that nerve pain that goes through those nerves and everything. So it just heightens everything when we get really scared and we don't move. So what we want to do instead is learn how to move gently. You can even do this in bed. You don't even have to get down to the ground. Okay, what I'm going to encourage you to do is come over into a quadruped position. So coming here and just relaxing, allow your arms to support you, know that they can, allow the knees to support you so there's absolutely nothing going on in your back or even your abs. And all I want you to do is start to breathe. So we're really going to open up and allow the belly to relax as you breathe in, open that rib cage. And breathe out and pull the belly toward the spine. Breathing in, breathing out. And just starting to go back and forth like this. Once you start to feel better, you're going to move into a mini cat-cow with it. So breathing in, allow the belly to drop a little bit, and breathing out, round it up. Nice and gentle, go again. And breathe out. See how big you can make it with no pain. Good. Now, if it felt good to go all the way into flexion, I want you to take it back into your heels and just allow your arms to stretch forward and breathe into this child's pose and just relax. So taking just 10 slow breaths here, really breathing into that back, breathing into that low rib cage. If not, if you felt like you had pain when you went up to there and it felt okay when you came down to here, the other place I want you to breathe then is going to be on your elbows and coming down. If this is too intense, even just being here is fine. You still get a little bit of extension and you're just going to breathe about 10 times there. Okay, so either way, we're trying to bias into whatever your body is needing for that time. So this is really a good opportunity to start to learn and listen what is going to make it feel better. Okay, next one that we're going to do, we're going to roll onto your back here. Okay, and now we're going to take that leg and we're going to pull it in. And I just want you to grab the back of that thigh, relax that leg, and you're just nice and gently going to extend that leg and come down. Now this would probably be enough. If you want a little bit more, you can bring those toes back towards you as you glide up and down. And you just do 10 on each side, nice and gentle. This isn't about using that nerve to like really increase things, but it's just getting it moving, getting it gliding, and trying to relieve a little tension that has built up back there, okay? Because your nerve extends all the way from the back down to the foot. So that's why we're using it to really open up and relieve some of that pressure and tension. So 10 on each side. Then you're going to take one leg or the other leg, same leg, and you're just going to allow it to kind of drop down toward the floor and start to get a little twist, okay? This doesn't need to be big, just breathe. You want to feel a little stretch around that glute. Really gentle. Good. After that, I want you to focus on how you're going to get up off the ground, okay? So you really want to scoot and lay on your side. Then you want to use your hand, so this could be sitting up on a bed as well or the floor, and you're going to prop up so you keep everything in line. Then you can come onto quadruped if you're on the floor. use something around you to come into a kneeling position. You keep the back straight as you come up, and then that's the proper way to get up when you have back pain. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget to like and comment below to let me know what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss any in the future.